Put some more light in here. Is that a little better? Shining some light.
On my eyes.
All right, guess my number. Good, I can sit down now. All right. Give me your guess. Yancy? 24. 24. You have 0 digits and 0 places. So what do you know? Juan?
There's no 2 and there's no 4.
So there's no 2 and no 4. Carlos, do you agree with Juan? Would you agree that there's no 2 and no 4? Okay, would you like to give a guess? 41. Now 41, what did you say, Yancy? There's no 4. Remember, we said there's no 4 and there's no 2 and no 4. Because you had 0 digits. So give me another guess. 35. 0 digits.
And 0 place.
0 place. What do we know now? Who can tell us what we know? Jennifer, what do we know?
There's no 3 and no 5.
There's no 3
No 5.
and no 5. Jennifer, how do we know that there's no 3 and no 5?
There's no digit and no place.
Yes, there's no digit and no place. So none of the digits are 3 or 5. Or 2 or 4. Oscar.
66.
66. 0 digits. 0 places. What do we know?
There's no 6. No 6 and no 6.
No 6. So there's just no 6. Do I have to write no 6 and no 6 twice?
No.
No, because it's the same thing. All right. I want you to turn to your neighbor and think of a possible guess that would fit our criteria. No 2, no 4, no 3, no 5, no 6. Go. Until say, it'll be my turn.
It should be 7 or 8 or 9. Either one, which one would you go with?
You see that?
7, 8, or 9.
And there's no
I would take that. 7 would be the number. 77. Miss Long, we have a guess.
You have a guess? 77? Okay.
We could do a guess. It was not be no.
Turn and face the front. All right. Now who would like to share their guess that they talked about with their neighbor? Brittany. 77. All right. Does that fit our criteria?
Yes.
Is there a 7? Is there a 2, a 4, a 3, a 5, or a 6 in this guess?
No.
No. So that it could possibly be that. And guess what? You have 1 digit correct and 1 place. So now what do you know? Cheyenne, what do you know now?
There's a 7 in it.
Okay, there is a 7. Ding, ding, ding. I'm going to circle that because that's important.
Ding, ding, ding.
There is a 7. What do we not know about the 7?
That if it's in the 10s or in the 1s.
If it's in the 10s or in the 1s. We don't know where it is. So let me have another guess.
Yes.
Think about what we know to make your good guess. Nancy Rivas? 17. You have one digit and 0 places. Now what do you know?
That is the 10 in the 1 place.
That what doesn't go in the 1's place?
The 7.
Okay, so the 7 is in what place?
In the 10.
Okay, the 7 is in the ends. All right. What else do we know? What do we know about the 1's place? What do we know about the? Put your hands down and think for a second. When you give me your guess, because now Zuli Kate just said it's going to be in the 10's place, right? The 7. So we're going to give you a number with the 7. What do you know about the 1's? So we know what?
The 7 is not in the
7's not in the 1's. What else is not in the 1's?
2, 4, 3, 5, 3, and 6. Or 1.
How do you know that?
Because there's no 4, no 3, no 5, no 6.
Right, so we have that already. So we know that none of those digits are there. All right, turn to your neighbor one more time. Because I think you guys will get it. If you talk about it, go ahead. What do you think?
Excuse me.
All right, this could be 78 or 78. No, 8's not up here.
It is 27.
All right, I got some good guesses from these two there. And Elizabeth, while we were talking, asked if we could add that there's no 1. There's no number 1. Right? Because that's not the right digit, right? It says only 1 digit. Carlos.
97.
What digit, what does this clue say right here? The what? The 7 is in the 10's place. In 97, is 7 in the 10's place? No.
7.
8. 8. You have 1 digit, 0 places. Anthony.
79.
79, yes. You have 2 digits and 2 places. All right? Good. Press stop.